Hey there. Thanks for watching my Replicator review by Glynn Kosky, where I'm not just going to walk you through the sales page and show you the demo video like a lot of other marketers do. I'm Susie. I'll be your affiliate marketing informant today. This Replicator review is based on my honest opinion of actually logging into this dashboard myself, and I'm going to take you with me as we research Replicator, the strategy they want you to use, and any problems that I see with it. If you are looking for honest and ethical ways to make money online, be sure to click our instant access link in the description below. If you found value in this video, please give it a like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer them for you as soon as I can. Now, let's see what Replicator promises us. Finally, the world's first no-selling, no-traffic system that pays them daily. Exposed a $683 billion loophole that pays him $24.83 every time other people download free apps created for beginners replicate their proven system today, without selling, without experience, and without waiting. If we take a look at the bullet points on the right-hand side, these look very similar to his previous two sales pages. If we take a look at the review I did on Stacked, released last month, you can see they talk about how much money they've made in 30 days, beta testers, it takes less than 60 seconds. And if we look back over here, they made $15,000 in 7 days. They had beta testers and it took less than 60 seconds. So this is just the same thing they put in all of their sales pages. And if we scroll down a little bit to their testimonials, if we take a look at Simon Bates, he is actually a stock photo that is used in several different advertisements. And if we take a look at the next one, which is Alicia Williams, she has also been used in several different advertisements. And the third one, Dan and Kelly, if we take a look at them, they're actually a photo from Unsplash. And Unsplash is free, so you and I could go get this photo and use it. These are not real users, so I don't believe a word of these testimonials. Let's take a look inside the dashboard. And again, when we come inside the dashboard, I know I've seen this before. And look at my stacked review again. You can see this is the same dashboard that he puts out over and over again. First thing we always do is take a look at the tutorials. These top 4 videos are about Replicator. It's a total of 16 minutes to tell you how to use this product. So we know that's not going to meet any of the 5 components of good affiliate marketing training linked above. Below that, you have 2 videos about the upgrades in Replicator. And then once we start talking about traffic strategies, this is all the same stuff that is in all of Glynn Kosky's previous products. They also give you a place to integrate your autoresponder. They told you there would be no extra costs, and you are going to need an autoresponder, so I'm not going to call this an extra cost. But if you don't already have one, you will need to go get one, because that is a necessity of being an affiliate marketer. If you are interested, we do have a link in our description below for a free autoresponder with Aweber. And then the next thing we need to do is check out our product affiliate links. These are the 8 products that Replicator puts on its page for you to promote. All 8 of these products are Glynn Kosky's products. So if we take a look at him on Munchai, it looks like Energize is on here, but I don't see any of the other ones. So let's take a look on Warrior Plus. So here we can see Replicator went on sale today. And if we look at the products put out by Glynn Kosky, these are not ranked very high. He does release these products over and over again. He does not actually use them. That's not how he makes his money. And if we look down a little bit further, he actually has already released a product called Commission Replicator. And if we take a look at that, that was released in December of 2019. So these products aren't very well rated, and this is possibly a clone of a product he's already put out. He does not guarantee approval for these, so you will have to request approval and wait to be approved. On the sales page, he told us there was no waiting. If you get approved for these products, your affiliate link would go in here. From here, you can go request approval for this. Or if you wanted to place your affiliate link directly into your website, you can edit it directly from here. For some reason, they also have products here, which is again just another list of these 8 products of Glynn Kosky's that he wants you to sell for him. Now let's take a look at the site that Replicator is going to make for you. So this web page will have the same look and feel as everybody else that buys this product. It will also have all of the same content, and you will be promoting this same 8 products. This means that this will not rank on Google organically because it will be seen as duplicate content. You do have the option to collect email addresses in pop-ups and through notification buttons. But if you guys are here just because you need a free website for affiliate marketing, be sure to check out the video above, or feel free to go through the link in our description below where we can help you out with that and give you some good advice. The only chance you have to personalize this is to change all of these colors or put in a logo. If we click Learn More to check out this site, now you can see the button where it says Download Now. So this must be the download free apps, right? We'll take a look at this page, scroll down so you can see what it looks like. Again, all this information is auto-populated for you. These are what are called facts. I'll show you where to adjust those later. And then you do have the option to put your name and maybe a picture of yourself down here, but that's the only personalization you can give this site. So if we click this Download Now button, that takes us to the sales page for Affiliate Sites Pro. And if we click Here Now we have to complete our purchase. So that's going to be $24. That is not a free download now. So where they say other people download free apps, they are absolutely not free. So back on the dashboard, if you wanted to change your colors or your logos or add a picture of yourself, you would do it here in the site settings. So there is a small bit of personalization that you can do in here. You just paid Glynn Kosky $19 to sell 8 of his products for him. On the left, that is the fact section I was talking about with the 4 bullet points. You could personalize those there. And you also have social links down here. If you put your information in here, it will show up on your website. And this is what they're calling traffic. For you to send this link to your current existing list on any or all of these platforms. You can load about 80 or so more, but not many of them make sense. And if we just stick with these top few, who is on your Facebook list right now if you sent this out? Would this go to your friends and family? Or would this go to groups and people that know you sell affiliate products and want information and recommendations from you? Because if it is just friends and family, nobody will see this and you will not make any sales from this. If we look on the dashboard, there is a free traffic tab. So maybe there's hope, but unfortunately there's not. This is the same free traffic tab that Glynn Kosky puts in all of his products. He gives you several things that you have to do, plus download these 4 things. You have to try them for a week or 2. Once you're ready and you fill in the form with all of the information, you might be able to get some emails from him that he has already sent all of his products to. So even if you were getting traffic from Glynn Kosky, you're selling his products, so they're not going to buy it from you because Glynn Kosky's already tried to sell them on his own products first before you get those emails. What is the strategy that Replicator is trying to get you to use? They want you to think you are going to make a landing page or a website with 8 of Glynn Kosky's products to sell for him if you get approved for the affiliate links to send to your current existing social media lists to try and make sales for him. So Glynn Kosky's strategy is to get you to pay him to sell his products. And he has several more planned. Starting next month, he has 2, and he goes all through August of next year. So he's going to be very busy putting out new products to sell while you're selling for him. On Munchai, it says this is going to be $19, but I was able to find this funnel, which is usually what he puts out, where it says it's $17. Now this one has 6 upsells, but I also found this one and it had 7 upsells. But if we look at the dashboard, it shows 11 upsells on the right. And then over in the upgrade section, there's actually a total of 12 upsells. So I'm not sure how many upsells we're actually going to have with Replicator. The total pricing I could find is $808 plus whatever the other 3 are to sell Glynn Kosky's products for him. Guys, my biggest problem with Replicator is that this sales page is just really misleading. You are going to be selling because this is not a downloading free apps. It is actually purchasing products, and you need traffic anytime that happens. They tell you without waiting, and you're going to have to wait to get approval for all of Glynn Kosky's products to sell them for him. He's using the same sales page that he's used in all of his previous products, and he can't even get testimonials from real people. Guys, please don't waste your time, your money, or your energy on Replicator. If you are looking for honest and ethical ways to make money online, be sure to click our instant access link in the description below. If you found value in this video, please give it a like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And I really hope this Replicator review answered all of your questions. If it didn't, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.